Welcome to the Lumension Patch and Remediation video vignette series, in which we discuss how to use specific features and capabilities of Lumension Patch and Remediation to improve the security of endpoints in your organization's network. Hi, my name is Andrea Hillwig, and in this episode I'm joined by Russ Ernst from Product Management to discuss how you can automatically remove unauthorized software and enforce your company's software policy using Lumension Patch and Remediation as well as Lumension Content Wizard. Many endpoint users have administrative privileges and often perform software installations that do not necessarily follow the company's software policy. Organizations find it difficult to enforce software policies and keep users from installing unsanctioned software or uninstalling required software. So Russ, how does one effectively and continuously enforce company software policy?
Well, hi Andrea. What we want to do here is we want to use Lumension Patch and Remediation in conjunction with the Lumension Content Wizard to generate an uninstall patch that we can use to uninstall some software we probably don't want to have running in our environment. So first off, I want to go to a specific endpoint that I know has the Lumension Content Wizard running on it. And directly from the Lumension Patch and Remediation console, I can navigate to that endpoint using a remote desktop connection. So in this case, I want to generate a new patch, and I want to use the built-in wizard to generate an uninstall patch. Some of the options I have available are to scan this local machine for content for applications that I want to remove, or navigate to a remote machine for applications to remove. In this example, I want to look for applications that are on this machine that I do want to remove across my entire environment. So this brings up a list of applications that are installed on this machine, and I see here a couple of applications I probably don't want to have here, specifically say this Yahoo software update. So I'm going to base this uninstall off of this Yahoo software update and finish the generation of the patch using the wizard. This brings up this patch in an editable format, so I can now change the title of the patch, I can change the vendor or the impact. You can see the impact is currently set as software, but I'm going to leave it as is. I now can save this patch. And I'm going to go back to Patch and Remediation to immediately have access to this patch. So now I can review my software, and I want to search for uninstall content. Here's that Yahoo software update patch we just created, and you'll see that it's not showing as applicable to any machines because all of my machines under management have to first complete a DAU to make sure they're going to check their applicability status. But I've created a few other uninstall patches previously, so I'm going to go ahead and I want to deploy one of these patches to my environment. I can deploy this patch similar to any other patch where I can deploy it to specific machines in my environment, or in this case, since I want to set a policy to make sure that the Yahoo toolbar stays off of all of my machines, I actually want to add that to my mandatory baseline. So now I want to manage my groups and bring up a mandatory baseline for this group. Here's the vulnerability management group that I want to add this policy to. I just manage my mandatory baseline. Now this brings up the uninstall patches that I've generated. Here's the one I want to add to my mandatory baseline, and I say OK. This will ensure that this application stays off of all the machines that are under management in this group.
Great, thanks Russ.
You're welcome.
We hope that you enjoyed this short video on how Lumension Patch and Remediation helps you improve your security posture and lower your total cost of ownership. For more information, please visit the Patch and Remediation page on our website, where you can also get free premium security tools to assess your network today. Thank you.